Today we are restoring this Hiro number 51. Hiro is in very bad shape. Look at these decals. Very bad shape. Oh my. Look at that. Also tender. Those have some, yeah, these are not good anymore. I don't like when they start showing all that scratch and tear and wear. So we are definitely going to do some restoration on this model. Hiro from Hito Company 2009. So let's begin with, also check out the wheels here. We're gonna do a little touch up. Yeah, it needs a lot of touch up everywhere. And of course it does have corrosion, battery corrosion. It needs some touch up, maybe not too much. Look, it's dead, completely dead. And of course we are going to do some tapping. There you go. But the problem is, still needs some cleaning. Look, it's not working at all. Okay, let's remove every single screw. So we're going to give Hiro some good wash and cleaning. Remember, you need to remove every single screw on this model. As you can see, the gearbox makes a little noise, loud noise. That means, for those who already follow my channel, the gear, the cog located on the motor, that's the one causes the problem. You hear that? It's actually that one. Let me show you. That one right there. This one right here. See this one? That's the motor. That's the gear, the cog that makes the noise. And of course we need to do some cleaning and maybe nickel plating. Alright, let's continue. We need to dismantle everything and clean. You can actually, if you want, you can just wash it off as it is, complete set, but I don't like it. I like to do a deep cleaning, make sure the model is like a brand new, because we're going to do some complete restoration, since we have these old decals on this Hiro. This one looks okay, but yeah, we'll see. But definitely this one is very old. So once we remove all the parts, now take a note on this model, on this part. It goes like that. It's not hard to find. You can't miss it. You see, you're not gonna make it fit. It goes this way. Anyway, so we can wash those parts. Now I want to take care of the tender. Very old. These screws are very tight. They're almost welded to the plastic, so it's gonna be good. So we just remove everything and clean. I have all my screws and metallic pins or rods on this magnetic thing. I don't even know how that's named, but anyways, let me know in the comments. So the next what I'm going to do is I'm gonna heat the decals to make them loose, and you can also put it in water or use DW40. I think it's DW40. I wanted to come in a single piece, but it's going to give me a hard time. It's really old and there's no glue to melt, so it's already dried up, so it will take me a long time to remove it. So I found that it is WD-40, and I say DW40, it's WD-40. I tried to remove most of the decal, but still need to use some WD-40. While the WD-40 works on that tender, I'm going to apply some on these cab decals. Yeah, let it soak for a few minutes. Now we can remove the decals on the cab. Still need to do more cleaning. Yeah, it's coming off pretty good. So you need to leave more time for the WD-40 to get into the decal and this has been just about a minute, so I'm going to spray one more coat of WD-40 to remove the glue. That tender is looking promising, don't you think? Yep, good to go. Still need to do some wash. Cab windows are gone. Now we need to remove the WD-40. You may wash this with dish soap. All the parts have been washed. Now we need to address, yeah, they're very clean. We need to address this motor. It needs to be cleaned and fixed. This is how it looks in the inside. Not so bad actually. And this is the cog that makes the noise. We need a new one. For Hiro, we are going to use 8-tooth or 8-teeth cog. You can find this replacement on customtrackmasters.com. Link in the description. Yeah, always you can check on my videos. The link is in the description for customtrackmasters.com. I see a little bit of copper exposed here, so I am going to give a nickel plating. Now we are nickel plating the battery terminal. That should give a few more years of life. Can you hear the motor? Pretty cool, huh? Alright, I'm gonna start with the tender. This is the easy part. This coupler goes here, and the wheels, another set of wheels, and part of the chassis. Alright, I'm gonna start with this part of the chassis and this little piece that holds the side rods. Next, I'm going to use this part, the wheels, mirror wheels, and the motor. Testing, working. Side rods go here. Yeah, this part right here. Then all the screws. There it is. Looking good, looking good. Detailing with oil-based marker. Yeah, this part of the buffer beans looks beat up. Is this part supposed to be red or black? I'm gonna paint it black. I guess it's supposed to be black. I guessed. But it looks much better black than just red. Yeah, he's missing the eyebrows. First eyebrow looking good. They might look easy, but they are not easy to make. Some decals, sorry children, not available anymore. That side is done. Other side is done. No need to remove the nameplate. It's okay. Very strong engine actually. Pretty strong. Now the tender. One side is done. The other side too. Looking pretty good. So the problem with the decals is that it takes time. That's why I'm not making anymore for the public. But anyways, we are done with Hiro. Look at this model, very nice looking Hiro. Eyebrows done too. And it's ready to hit customtrackmasters.com website. Yeah, it will be available for sale pretty soon, or if you're seeing this after 2 months, the model has gone, sold out. Don't forget to subscribe.